Hello everyone, this is the part 5 of binary tree series, and so here we're going to solve the question which is named as a symmetric tree, and it's a 101 problem at Leetcode. So now we understand the what question says, and you can pause the screen and try the question before seeing the solution. At least you give the 10 to 15 minutes to this question, that the what question says, and you have to apply some kind of traversal so that this question be a solved. So here we can see the given root of the binary tree. Check whether it is a mirror of itself or not. So if you see this tree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3. So yes, it is obviously, if we cut this node like 1, symmetrical, in a symmetrical order, so we see that this part and this part is actually identical in the case of mirror image. Like if we see here 4 is in the left, so at that point we see the 4 is at right. In this case 4 is right, and in this case 4 is a left. So yes, if you just stand your left hand in the front of your mirror, then in the mirror image we can see that our right hand should be in the up position. So in the same case we see 3 is in the left of this position, and in the second case we see 3 is at the right. So yes, we can say that this is the mirror image of this part. This part is a mirror image of this, and this is also a mirror image of this. And in the second case we see the 1, if we cut 1 in a symmetric order, and 2 2 3 3. Okay, so 2 2 both are, yes, mirror image, because they both are in the middle. And if we see 3 here is at the right node of 2, and 3 is also here at the right node of 2. So they both are at a right position. And then this is the wrong case. Just if we see if the 3 is at the left position, and in the second case we see 3 is at right position, then we can say that yes, that is the mirror image of this part. But this is the not possible, that you stand out your left hand in the front of mirror, and we see our left hand also standing in the mirror. So this is the wrong case. And we also have to understand a base case for this question, because if we have a nothing, like if you have a no node present at your tree, let's suppose a moving air, then we can also say that in our imaginary mind, that this is also be asymmetrical. Yes, it is possible. Like if you write the base case of this question, let's suppose we're gonna write a new function for the question, which is suppose bool match, and here we write the tree node, which is a root 1, and the tree node, which is a root 2. Okay, so after writing that, we just apply the base condition in this question. We check if the root 1 is equals to null pointer or not, because if it's equal to null pointer, then we can say that this is a symmetrical. Because if you have a no node present in your tree, then you can say that this is also be possible, that we can say that this is a mirror image of both right and left. Let's see how is it possible. Okay, so root 1 equals to null pointer, root 2 equals to null pointer. Revisit equals, then we can write the return true in its compiler. After that, we can also check the condition. If one of those is equals to, if one of the node is equals to null pointer, then they are not symmetrical. Then we have to write the false statement for that question. So for this part, we're gonna apply OR condition. You can see that how I can write this question OR part. Okay, so after checking a root 1 equals to null pointer, we apply an OR root 2. Means if one of those is null pointer, then we write a false statement for that part. Null pointer. Okay, and then apply this return false. Okay, after all that, we just wait, here is a unnecessary I present. Okay, so after that we just write a statement return if the root value is equals to the root 2 value, sorry, and here we write the wrong, we write this, sorry, this, and in this part we have to write the root 1. Basically root 1 and root 2 are the left and the right sub, no, we cannot say the subtree, left and the right node of the main part, like one left node is 2, so we can say that this is the root 1, and the one right node is 2, so we can say that this is the right node, root 2 node, which we clearly specifies in the question. And after we do that, and after applying the and condition, we match that if the root left value, comma, sorry, it's a root 1 now, so we have to write the root 1 comma left and root 2 comma, sorry, root 2 right. So why we checking the root 1 left and the root 2 right? Why we both can't check the root left and the root 2 left? Because we have to, identify the symmetric condition. Not if we have to check the identical, then we have to write the root 1 left and the root 2 left. So I hope you understand this. And then after again applying the AND condition, we have to write the, again, I have to call the function for checking the root 1 right and comma root 2 left. Okay, so here we specify this condition and apply the semicolon, and in this case we again write the base case for that condition. If the root is equals to a null pointer, then you have to return true. And after all that, the final a line we're gonna write is return match root left and the root right. So root here is a 1, and in the second example root is also 1. So the final line is this, and so now we're gonna run this part. If it is working, so we're gonna say that the question is complete, and yes, both the test cases are accepted. And I hope you understand this, that what thing I gonna say and what thing I need to understand this, and what kind of traversal order are being used in this question. So yes, this is for today, and so we meet in the next part. Okay, bye.